Ovieje Liepa Circle in Niechamo. It's different because of how it's laid out. Example here, Ovie, an outside pulpit where they might hold service. Going to come back here, show you another section. I'm not sure what this would be used for. Do you have that? With the little window. And from about here, and I'll get closer, you can see Mary in the rock. And this, of course, reminded me of the circle at Svetonedia and Hvaroltok. So Niechamo is Sholta Otok, Sholta Island. But I really think it's so beautiful. So here's a close-up of Mary. See, she's behind, it looks like a little cavern. Just a little empress. So it doesn't actually lead anywhere that I can see. But it's really beautiful, just incredibly beautiful. And this is just going around the side of the church. A bit of Jadran Skolariu, Jadronici.